Welcome to this video, where you will learn how to build your first custom GPT. You will become an AI creator today. The great news is that you do not need to code. You write plain English prompts, and the AI builds the software for you. Standard ChatGPT is very general. Custom GPTs are specific, as you program them for one exact task. You control the base AI by giving it strict rules and custom instructions. You also upload your private knowledge base, making the AI your personalized expert. While ChatGPT projects manage your files, custom GPTs go further by taking independent actions, offering real-time web access, and providing a personalized AI assistant with strict rules and automation. An example of a custom GPT is one that conducts targeted online searches, saves you valuable time, and creates optimized Google links. Another example is a GPT that acts as a friendly expert, eliminating complex technical jargon to make learning simple. Your text document holds the instructions, which the AI follows to create clickable menus and follow your exact design. To create a custom GPT, you need a Plus account. However, free users can still use your GPT. You must upgrade to build tools. The process involves 3 simple steps: create by chatting with the AI, configure by uploading your files, and share by publishing to the world. You interact with the GPT builder, testing the GPT in the preview window, allowing you to instantly refine the rules. Under the Configure tab, you upload your proprietary data. You can upload up to 20 files, with each file holding up to 512 megabytes. It's crucial to instruct the AI to protect your data with access restrictions, preventing users from downloading your files and keeping your intellectual property safe. Finally, you choose who accesses your GPT. You can share a private link with clients or publish it to the global store. As an AI creator, you can establish multiple revenue streams by selling solutions to real problems through the GPT store, gated paywalls, or custom branded tools for client consulting.